unusual items you can use for cleaning your home. Welcome to FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. Borax. Borax is also known as sodium borate, which is a naturally occurring mineral. It comes in the form of white, soft crystals that easily dissolves in water. Borax has been around for more than a century and used as a cleaning agent at home. Unlike the conventional, often toxic, cleaning agents we have these days, borax is not harmful to the environment, does not accumulate in the body, is not carcinogenic, and won't be absorbed through the skin. Borax is an effective laundry booster. It can help get rid of stains, make your laundry smell better, and whiten your whites. It is also an effective toilet bowl cleaner. All you need to do is pour a cup of borax into the toilet before you go to bed and clean it up with a brush the next morning. Borax can also be used to give your dishwashing agent a boost. It is effective at cleaning cloudy glassware, stains pots, and bits of food. Borax can also help preserve fresh cut flowers longer because it contains properties that can get rid of moisture from cut leaves and blossoms. Lastly, you can use borax to control pests like ants, water bugs, and cockroaches. Washing soda. If you are among those who are fond of making their own laundry detergent, then you might have heard about washing soda. However, it has several other uses apart from being a great laundry booster. Washing soda, which is also known as sodium bicarbonate, soda crystals, or soda ash, comes from the same family as baking soda, but it was processed differently. You can use it to clean the kitchen, bathroom, and get rid of tough dirt throughout your home. As a laundry detergent booster, it can help get rid of stains. It can also be used to soften hard water. It can get rid of those stubborn greasy stains in the oven, broiler pans, and range tops. It also works well as a cleaning agent for kettles, plastic housewares, small appliances, and chopping boards. It can even help fix a clogged drain. Essential oils. If you are looking for a natural antibacterial option that smells really good, then you should go for essential oils. Adding oils to your laundry routine or cleaning solution for the kitchen will not only leave it looking clean but also smelling fresh. Tea tree oils help fight germs, viruses, and bacteria, while rosemary has antiseptic properties. Lavender is natural antibacterial, while eucalyptus is known to be a natural germicide. Meanwhile, peppermint is an effective antibacterial as well as cinnamon. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you're always updated whenever we upload new videos. Check the descriptions below for a list of our favorite products that we highly recommend.